I'm glad that Frog VR's not here. Hold up. What did you say? I'm sorry, hold up. I didn't hear what he said. Stan. So, tell me, what did you say?
I was glad that you weren't there.
Oh. Look, I'm holding him upside down. Look, guys, this is funny. Look, guys, isn't this so funny? Wow. Okay. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a, I guess, decent helicopter. I mean, it ain't going to be exactly like a helicopter. It's going to be like barely close. So obvious. It's kind of like the jet. 2 goop. Well, 1 goop, I guess, but it's not going to be really like it. This. Going to be kind of like lean over, so you're like. Yeah. And then what? And then I guess you can use some sticks as helicopter equipment. Because that's what I'm doing. Wait, no. We need something much stronger. Yeah. That's kind of close to a stick. Which is literally nothing. Okay, I guess we're using arrows today. So, boop. You can use as much arrows as you want, because I only do 4 on the top. I don't like really arrows. I'm sorry, look, I'm sorry. Yes, I know. I'm sometimes bad at it. Yep, there. I would like to use sticks, but I forgot. They break. They're like a value item. Just break. Oh, I wonder where that monkey backpack guy went. I think he would gladly like to be in this video. But who knows where he went. Don't know where he went though. He was here. I think he would love to be in this video. Yeah. Okay. And then it's kind of like the same. And you can add light source, but it's kind of like the same. Just some broomsticks. Because why not? These are cool. Okay. It'd take me a little bit to think of this idea, so you better be happy. So you guys better be happy with my ideas. If you guys can get me to 100 subscribers, that would be very nice. You guys do. I'll literally do whatever the top comment says on the thank you video when I hit 100. You know, I would do that. Oh, okay. This one might be short because I don't. Okay, yeah, I'll try to make it long. Like it. Yeah. Or which brooms? This. Flashlight. Boop. Boop. Ow. Boop. Boop. There. And also, you want to. Yeah, I'm just kidding. No. Shot hole. Here's my shot hole. People can latch on and go, and they can go. Somebody come get her. She's dancing like an otter. Well, yeah. So, I wonder if that monkey backpack would like to be in here. There you have it. You have your helicopter. Yeah. Well, let's test it out now. Okay. I mean, look at this. I'm just gliding in the air. Too bad that the monkey backpack don't get to try it. Am I right? And I'm gonna try to summon him. First, let's get out of here. Oh, let monkey backpack come to life. Oh, look at that. He came. How nice he is. So, I'm gonna watch. He says he's tired. Yeah, I'm tired. I wanna watch. So, I guess we're not letting him watch. Like, look. Okay. What do you say, man? Wait. Oh, no, wait, I'm about to crash. Ah! Oh. I guess you're lucky I turned it off in time. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, here's two things that's wrong with it, okay? Does have protection, to have no damage. So yeah, you might be in trouble. Yeah, I got you. What's going on? Wait. I hope you don't love this one. I know it's short. I know it's short. But see you all in the next one. I just want to play some VR now. Yeah. So if y'all love this one, see you all in the next one.
Coco, you're changing!